Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a lemon poppy bundt cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 3 cups of flour, add in a half a teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Give this mixture a mix and set it aside. In a bowl with 1 cup of softened butter, add in 1 3/4 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 3 eggs, one at a time, making sure to mix thoroughly before adding in the next egg. Add in 1 packet of dry vanilla pudding mix. This will keep the cake moist and light. Mix until well combined. Add in the dry ingredients in 3 batches. And add in 1 cup of buttermilk in 2 batches. I like folding in the last batch of flour since I don't want to overmix the mixture, which can cause for a dense cake. And we don't want that. We want a light and fluffy cake. Add in a 1/4 cup of poppy seeds and mix until well combined. Add in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix until well combined. Pour the batter into a greased bundt pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. In a bowl with 1 cup of icing sugar, add in 3 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix until smooth. Pour the icing over the cooled cake. Cut into the cake and enjoy.